Want to sharpen your photos in Photoshop in the easiest and best way possible? And not only that, I will also give you these sharpening settings as a one-click action. So let's get started. And here is our image. Let's zoom in a little bit. And I want to sharpen this cat's beautiful face to give a more crunchy and sharper look. So first copy the layer by pressing Command or Ctrl and Z and right click on the mouse and convert this to a smart object so that we can work non-destructively. And then go to the filter, other and select high pass. We will find something like this. Now just focus on the radius value. As you increase the value, try to keep only the edges and fine details visible in gray. Don't increase it too much because if the value gets too high, it may look crunchy and a lot of ugly halos around the edges. So I think for this image, 4 pixels is looking good. And remember, the value actually depends on the resolution of your photo. So keep experimenting with your photos and look closely the fine details and the edges to find the sweet spot for your photo. And now just hit OK. And now finally, change the blending mode to overlay or linear light. Linear light will give you more stronger and sharper look, while overlay gives you more natural and subtle look. So I'm going with overlay for this time, and look at the magic. Here is the before and this is after. Now it looks sharper, okay? And another thing, since we are working with a smart object, you can double click on the high pass smart filters and change the values, change the radius values anytime you want to get a perfect result. Now for the final task. I said I want to sharpen the face, but right now the sharpening is applied all over the image. So let's fix that with a mask. Press and hold Option or Alt key and click on the mask icon to create a negative mask. You can see there is a black mask. That means all the effects are hidden right under the black mask. To reveal the sharpness, pick a soft white brush. Make sure the brush is white and paint over the face or where you want to increase the sharpness like this. It's super easy. And now you can see the before and after. Here is the before and here is after. That's really great. So this is the before and this is after. Now it looks sharper, cleaner and super crispy. So that's it for today, and remember you will also get this sharpening setup as a free Photoshop action. Just download it from the link in the video description, load it into Photoshop and sharpen your photos with literally just one click. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.